Hello everyone. Sorry here. Thank you so much for joining me. I have a fun card kit sitting here in front of me. This is the Paper Escape Spring Staycation card kit. This is hosted by Lynn, which is the LV Handcrafted. I'll put all the information in the description box below where you can find it. But this is the VIP ticket or VIP kit. So if you were to buy the VIP ticket, then this is what you are going to get. There is the free, which means that you can get a ticket and just watch all the classes for free. But if you want to craft along with the other designers, then this is the VIP and that's what you would want to get. So I'm going to open this up just to show you what's in here. Tickets are for sale already there. So if you're interested, definitely check it out. I've already taken a look at it, so that's why it's already ripped. But I just wanted to create a video just to show everyone else what's in there in case you're not familiar. And the reason I'm also excited about this is because I am one of the designers, along with Meg Brider, on the stamp set that is in here. And I'm very excited to have been able to create my very first stamp set. So I do hope you enjoy that. This kit does come with, or inside this resealable envelope, which is quite nice when you just want to keep all your products stored in there. This fell out. This is supposed to be hidden, but this is a button, a swag you get as just a thank you for signing up. And then here's a fun little sticker that is supposed to seal all this together, but as you can see, I have already opened it. So if we just kind of move this to the side here and open it up, we'll go right to the first thing. In this kit, there is this fun handmade pen. Not sure if Lynn made it, but it's not guaranteed to be in everyone's bag. I believe it's limited. So if you ordered quicker than later, then you will get one. And it's just a fun little gift that you can receive. You get an embellishment bag, and this one also has a little button. I believe this is also limited. So for the people who come first will get it, I believe. So if you don't see it in your bag, that is probably why. But this is one of the images from the stamp set, and that's from Meg. Then you get some sequins. There's some foam stickers here. There are 2 wobblers, and I believe there's going to be some classes that are using these, so you can make some cards with that. There is some twine here, or string, and then I believe these are brads, and you'll be taught how to use those in one of the classes as well. So that is in the embellishment bag. There are classes as part of this. So like I said, if you have a free, you can watch along. If you pay for the VIP, then you can craft along. So that's the difference. And then there is the paper. You'll get a half sheet of acetate and a half sheet of vellum. There is a half sheet of gold mirror cardstock and a half sheet of gray or like a silver shimmer cardstock. Then for the full size, there is a teal, a pink. This is almost like an avocado green, a beautiful dark blue, and this is an orange, as well as 3 sheets of white cardstock. This is nice and thick, so this could be for your card bases or for stamping some images. And then 2 pieces of heavy duty craft cardstock, which can also be used for your card bases. There is a pad of paper. We'll open this up just to show you. Very beautiful colors here. So we have some floral. There's some written script, some worn paper, wood. Here's a nice grungy but pretty clockwork type paper, a map, some more wood. Here's a fun alphabet. So it's kind of like a grungy but pretty. So there's definitely some masculine cards you can do here. Wood. This looks like another map, but just the blue. And here's some distressed brown. My camera is making it look like it's kind of red, but it is a darker brown. Here's some more fun designs and a little bit of grunge. And then it repeats. So you get 2 of each paper. It is single-sided. This was in tissue paper. There are 2 tape runners that you get. I believe one is maybe like a repositionable. I'm not sure. I'm not sure the 2 difference. I haven't used them yet, but you get 2, so that's quite nice, and it should be nice and easy to glue things together. You do also get some pre-colored ephemera. These have been colored by Meg, Susan, Lynn, and Julia, and myself. In your kit, you will get mine and Meg's colored images and one of the designers. So you won't know whose designer you will get, but you'll still get the same amount. So these are all colored by us. And so we have a few here. And these are the actual stamps. Look at that, that's really cute. These are the actual stamps that are in the set that you will get, and I'll show you in a second here. Nice. So there's lots of choices, lots of beautiful colors, lots of different styles. And there we go. So that is the ephemera. So you can just play around with those. You don't need to worry about coloring yourself, but you definitely can if you would like to, because I'm going to show you the stamp set right now. Let me just grab a piece of white cardstock so I can show you. It is a nice big stamp set. And there we go. So this is what we have here. So we have, it's kind of like a grunge, not grunge. This is kind of a steampunk style, but it's still cute. So we have some nice bunnies here and a steampunk type blimp, some nice beautiful gears. We have this really cute fox and the cat. I love this cat, it's so cute. There's a nice sparkly swirl that can be used for movement. And then there's a little bit of sparkles here. It's kind of like confetti, just for something you can add in the background. There are some quick sentiments for interactive type cards if you would like to make. I believe there should be some interactive cards potentially by the guest designers, but you'll have to see and wait and see. And then we have some nice sentiments here. So we have entering your golden age, wishing you a day powered by wonder and whimsy. So that is the stamp set. So this is the whole kit. Like I said, it is on sale right now. Tomorrow is the day when I believe the bonus tickets are going to be on sale. And I believe the bonus tickets are an extra day of like a live class for a digital retreat kit. And that goes on sale tomorrow. So if you're interested in that, that will be there too. But for now, it's the VIP and the free. So even if you aren't interested in the VIP kit, definitely sign up for the free one, because then you can just watch along, and you can also create if you have your own products to play with. You don't have to have this stuff. It's just a day to just have fun and craft with some fellow friends. So if you're interested in that, like I said, the information will be in the description box down below. I hope you enjoy the images that Meg and I have created. I had a lot of fun creating them. It was really awesome to see it when in my hands when it actually came. That's why this package was already opened. There was no way I could hold out. I needed to see it. So I do hope you enjoy them and it brings you some crafty fun. So until the next time, have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.